COVID-19 has left no collapsed buildings, no rows of flag-draped coffins, but no modern U.S. disaster has claimed more people. And yet, is it possible we're closing our eyes to it?
Do you have any idea how many people have died of COVID in this country?
I know that it is high in the thousands.
I believe they put out an estimation like over 100,000, and then they retracted that and said something like 1,900?
Yeah, I think in the tens of thousands.
In reality, it's 200,000, but lost in the numbers, the names and faces, like Cody Lister of Colorado.
We lost our son, our 21-year-old son.
Cody was one of 1,874 who died from COVID in the U.S. on April 8th.
He pretty much wore his heart on his sleeve. Always finished a conversation with "I love you," whether it was on the phone or a text message.
The learning curve to 200,000 dead has been steep, and it has been costly. Remember when mask wearing was discouraged?
You may be increasing your chance of getting a disease by wearing that mask.
The science evolved. Masks, of course, are now encouraged. But did it have to get this bad?
150,000 of the deaths, maybe more, could have been prevented. We just didn't take it seriously. We didn't do it right.
That our country's response has been muddled has been well documented. The miscalculations, mistrust, and misinformation.
Looks like by April, in theory, when it gets a little warmer, it miraculously goes away.
Patrick Patois never saw April.
So they took him to the nearest hospital. Once he left in the ambulance, we never saw him again. So
he worked in a train yard for the New York subway system. He was one of 2,983 who died of COVID on March 30th. He had just turned 57.
I look around and a lot of the people that used to work in these buildings are working at home.
Yeah.
They're able to shelter at home.
Yep.
Your father didn't have that option.
He didn't have that option. He had to go into work every day.
Globally, in deaths per 100,000, the United States ranks in the top 10. But there are encouraging signs, including the rapid development of vaccines and therapeutics.
We have several treatments now that look like they work. I'm hopeful we'll have one or two more in the upcoming weeks and months. So it's going to make the disease less lethal.
Hotspots like New York have been turned around as others emerge, like college campuses. And though we now stand at 200,000 dead, at least one projection tells us it will likely more than double to 410,000 by year's end, meaning more Americans will personally know there is so much more to a number.
If by our sharing Cody's story, if we can save one life, even just one life, it's like his death would not be in vain.
Globally, COVID deaths are expected to soon surpass 1 million.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.